So welcome guys once again. Let's start to design the next part of this assembly. So in this previous video we have completed this upper housing of this blower, and now next video we have to create the next part of this. So exit this first of all, and in next video we have to create a lower housing of this part. So let's start to create this part. Hmm, let's design this part in our Catia software. First of all, open Catia software, go to part design, press OK, give whatever name you want to give, and as usual we are hiding this all plane because we are not using this plane. So hide this all planes, create our own origin point and insert axis system to this point. So our first part is done, and now let's start to design this part only in part body. So to design this part, you have to create first of all these sketches. So go to sketch positioning and select the ZX plane here. Projector point as this, orientation should be parallel to this line, use this on. Now let's start to design this part. So first of all we have to create this outer circle radius. So create one semicircle radius here, and this is immediately was direction, and now give dimension to this side, radius 6 mm. Now make it fit to window. Now close this completely first of all. Also we have to create one rectangle part here like this, and this rectangle from this is present at 5 mm. Actual total distance for this bottom support rectangle is 14. Make it centrally aligned, so give from vertical axis distance half of 40. Note 2, it is come at half of 40 and 7. From this to this distance is given as 6.5. So we know that the length is come at 1.5. Now we have to remove this unwanted line, so go to quick trim and select this line which we don't want. Now exit our 2D sketch workbench and make sure what is value we have to give, and it is this 2D sketch workbench first of all. Make sure you are in part body. You can use CAD command here and select this sketch, and value we have to give here 4 because we are using mirror constraint here. Press OK. Now we can see this lower part is done. Just we have to create some other features here. So next we have to create, actually we know the part thickness for this is 2.5. So go to shell command and select this, give here 2.5. Now we can check this also is coming to confirm. Just go to section here and take this section. So delete this cell because we are not even sure to create these holes. So go to sketch position angle, select this ZX plane, make sure origin point, register point as this, parallel to this line, and create one semicircle having radius value as 5.75. Now make sure to close this. Now exit over to the sketch workbench and use pocket command here. Make it reverse. Make sure you use mirror constraint here. Exit, decrease from here to here. So actually we want the thickness here as 2.5 and 2.5 here and here. So 4 minus 0.5 we have to do here. Now you can see this part is, and now make sure this perfect dimension is come here, like dimension is come here as 3.75 and no plus. Okay, and now you can see this perfectly material is removed from this part. Now again we have to make here some pocket. So to create this we are using hole command. So go to hole, select this ZX plane here, make sure it is aligned to the origin, and we want this hole from this both side. So only one side we want to make it up to next here, and diameter of this hole actually radius of this given, so 1.5 plus 1.5. Now this one is 3. Now once again go to hole command and select this face. Now go to position sketch here, align this point which is origin as this point, align this point origin this point, make it coincident. Now exit to the sketch workbench and pop radius value we have to remove here as 4.875. Now we are here 4.875 plus 4.875. Now here make up to your blend value and decrease some length. And decrease this depth value some, because we can see that this hole is removing this side of material also. So actually we don't want to remove this other side, only we have to remove this side of material. Now make it a view here. This one. Now you can see this part is created, just some holes we have to do here. So we can check hole which is given here. So go to hole command and select this face, go to your position sketch first, give proper dimension to this, on this vertical axis this distance is 0.7, on horizontal axis the value is 1. Now as it is to the sketch working, and actually we want 8 of these holes, and diameter of this hole is 0.41. Make it up to next year, make it blue. Now we same hole we want as this set 4 and other set 4. So go to rectangle pattern here, select this hole from this current solid, and instant we want 4, and spacing between them is actually we can see here 2, and give reference element direction as this y axis. Make it reverse here. Now make it, and same we want that other side also. So go to second direction here and select here instant sense to for same hole we want other side, and reference element as this x-axis, and make it preview here, and give spacing between them we have to give as same here we can give. We know that it is 15, it is 0.75, so to 15 minus 0.75, again minus 0.75, something wrong is come here, plus 0.75, 1.5, so 15 minus 1.5. Actually something wrong is happened here. Just we are checking if this value is perfect or not. So this is perfect. Just check on this to this. Yes, here we are making some mistake to sketch this. So go to first of all where and check this sketch. So here we can see we have to give here 15 value. From center to this, represent that 15, half of 15. Now it is perfect. As it is to this is perfect. Now I can check these holes are comes on the side. So by this we can reduce our mistakes if some mistake is happen from our side. So these mistakes happen common, so don't worry about these mistakes. Now you can see we have created this lower housing part in our Catia software. So next we have to create this orthographic views and dimension of this lower part. So see you guys in next video to create another part of this floor assembly.